Hello and welcome to Life from Pig Grow, and we're now firmly in winter and we've had some flurries of snow, nothing too spectacularly bad so far. So I thought I'd take time to come into the greenhouse. Kind of a bit of a sad affair in here at the moment because everything that was green is gone. Now I've tried growing things like Mitsuna in the past in the greenhouse and pak choi, but we get too cold and they don't get through even with fleece, even with a little bit of heating. But we're going to look at the positives today. Today we're here really to talk about dahlias, and some of you, especially if you're north of the Watford Gap, will have lifted your dahlias by now, and hopefully they'll be dry enough now to go into long-term storage until spring. So your dahlia tuber should look something like this. Something from the lagoon or from outer space. But you know, even if you've washed it, it's still got some earth on it. And all you need to do is get a brush, and this is an old paintbrush, and all I'm going to do is hold it upside down and I'm going to go, oh, it's so much fun. And what I'm doing, if I can hold up to the camera, is I'm brushing off the worst of the mud, and there it goes, here it goes, off it goes, away it goes. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to get these as dry as possible, within reason, because I want to store them, and if there's any earth on there and there's any bacteria in that earth, I'm going to lose my tubers, and I don't want to lose my tubers. I'm sick of losing my tubers. This is Cafe au lait. I definitely don't want to lose Cafe au lait. It's a beautiful flower. So, as you can see, while I'm whittling onto you, most of the earth is off. Now, what next? Well, you've got several choices. You can store them in a seed tray and half fill them with earth and put them somewhere frost free. Try that, doesn't work for us. You can store them in shredded paper. I've even heard shredded straw. But again, we're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to go a bit old fashioned, and I'm reaching down here and I'm going to show you a piece of newspaper. And all I'm going to do with my tuber, now it's lovingly done, is I'm going to pop it in there and I'm going to wrap my paper around the tuber. I'm going to do that with several pieces, and then I'm going to store it in a box, and then I'm going to keep checking it fortnightly for any signs of fungus or rot. And if you find anything that is rotten on your tuber, like this when you do it in the squashy and squeezy, just twist it off, discard it and compost it. That's it. If we have a harsh winter, just put on the cards. They'll get through if you keep them in a dry, sheltered, frost-free place. If it's wet and you're north of the Watford Gap, good luck. Now, if you're south of the Watford Gap, as many of you have told me, you can just mulch it. Good for you. I'm glad you can do that. And you mulch it and you put like 3-4 inches of mulch on top, and it should get through. But if you're on clay, lift it. And that's it. That's all you need to know about storing dahlias. Just keep checking them through the winter, making sure they're frost free and in a sheltered place. So, until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Grow, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and then you can get in contact with us more or less every Saturday and see what we're up to. So, until next time, bye bye.